Today's video is going to be the conversion of our dinitroethylene urea into ethylene dinitramine. The way we're going to achieve this is alkaline hydrolysis of the dinitroethylene urea. For this, I'm going to use an aqueous solution of sodium acetate. You don't want a super strong base, otherwise it will salt with the ethylene dinitramine and you won't get any product really. The procedure I'm following doesn't give exact quantities for the sodium acetate, so I'm just going to eyeball it. What I'm going to do is add the sodium acetate to this water here with a stir bar, and I'm going to check the pH until it gets reasonably alkaline. Then I'm going to heat it up to boiling and start to slowly add the dinitroethylene urea. This will form CO2 and our product will go into solution. Dinitroethylene urea by itself is a fair energetic. However, it is nowhere near as versatile or useful as ethylene dinitramine.
Oh my god, why are you handling flames with rubber gloves? You're gonna die.
As we can see, there is a little bit of carbon left over, indicating that it still is oxygen balance negative. Okay, now it seems most, if not all, of the CO2 has been driven off the solution, and all of the dinitroethylene urea has been converted into ethylene dinitramine. What I'm going to do now is stop stirring and stop heating, remove the stir bar, and let you guys watch the crystallization process. As you can see, we have a nice precipitate of ethylene dinitramine. All we need to do now is filter this on a Buchner funnel. Ethylene dinitramine is a colorless crystalline solid which, when ignited, melts and then flares off. Small amounts of impurities in the final product, such as sodium acetate, contribute to a small amount of soot formation. If these are removed, you should get a fairly colorless residue. However, like I said, there is a small amount of likely sodium acetate or derivatives in my final product. I'll be using these to synthesize the salts of ethylene dinitramine, those being sodium, silver, and lead salts, as well as the chloronitroamine derivative, EBCN. I really hope you enjoyed. You can like if you want to, subscribe if you want to, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Special thanks to my Patreon supporters. Without all you, videos like this would be impossible. Thank you.